Next to the main KDP Wizard logo, you'll see the tier badge. This shows you which tier plan you are currently subscribed to. If you change your subscription in your account page on our website, check here to verify the badge is updated to reflect the switch. The base switcher only appears if you have more than one base connected to KDP Wizard. Use this to quickly set a different base active if using more than one. Be aware that changing the active base will cause any open KDP pages to refresh. Most users won't have multiple bases, so no need for fear of missing out if you don't see this. The question mark is a help icon for easy access to our help and support page on our website. From here you can browse our knowledge base articles, which are continually updated for those that prefer the written word to a video. Alternatively, you can find the link to our Facebook group to search for answers from others that have already asked your question. Feel free to post your question to others if you don't find what you need. If you're not getting the answers you need, then create a new support ticket and get in touch with us directly. This method is best if you need to provide screenshots, videos, or private information like personal data. Just add as much information as you can about the problem, your system and setup, and what you were doing just before the issue came up. Finally, the version number is at the far top right. Check here to see which version you're using or to check if you have been updated to the latest release. Click here to open the web page detailing all the version updates and changes we've made to the app since first launch.